Hi guys, what's up? I wanted to talk to you about Coastal City. Um, I I was looking into it. I signed up, just trying to take a look around. Sometimes just like to have fun online, but it reminds me of the virtual city in Mana that uses Mana in building a city on the blockchain virtually. You can buy land, you can build houses virtually. So this is actually giving me that feel, and I just wanted to share with you guys. I mean, I'll be leaving the link in the description in case it's something you're interested in. Um, and it actually pays you currency, which you can, I mean, it pays you crypto, which you can eventually convert to bitcoins, and that's the interesting part. And merely you sign up, you're given 5,000 silver deposits, and that 5,000 silver deposit you can use to buy a, a house, and that house can get you earning an accumulation of money over time. This is my account. It's fresh, it's brand new. I just signed up yesterday, and what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna purchase our first house so that we can start earning some silver and gold. Okay, so what we do, we'll go to purchase on the left hand side. Here we go. And then we would, because the 5,000 silver that was given to you, you could use it in buying a house. And as you can see, okay, first off, note that the 5,000 deposit silver that's given to you when you sign up is equivalent to 0.78 USD. That's 78 cents. And you can use it in buying uh, a house. Okay, you can buy the first house here. I'm sure it should be just about that amount. Yeah, here you go. It is 0.78 USD, and then you start earning, accumulating silver every hour, I believe, or maybe even less than an hour. It just accumulates. Okay, so just follow me as I do this so that we can see how this works. So we buy the house. You do not have enough silver to buy. Okay, let's see. Let's close this first. And then your your build your buildings to build. Okay, um, guys, sorry. I'm new to this. I'm just getting used to the interface to see how it works. So yeah, let's see how we can if we can buy a house in USD. I was just saying error. You do not have enough silver to buy a house. Recording. Recording. I'm recording. You do not have enough silver to buy a house. Sorry about that. We just I just had my niece come over and wanted to give me something. So okay, let's get back to the buying of the house. So why is it telling me I need to have more silver to buy a house? Okay, let's go back here and see deposits, withdrawal. Okay, I think I just noticed that the silver is out. It's no more longer 5,000. So let's see. I think the next step is to pick a spot where we want to keep the house, right? You take the house, and then you place it. Let me do that again. Cancel. When you buy the house, it actually bought it bought, but I didn't notice when it bought. Okay, so the house is actually here. Um, when you pick the house, you click on the house, and then you take it to the spot where you want the house to be. Okay, where do you think this house would be? Where to be valuable? I think this is a good house. This is a good position. Okay, okay. Congratulations, the building was successfully built. Awesome. Okay, and let's watch this area. I believe that there's going to be some increase of this area here. Okay, did you see that? It increased 0.01 silver and 0.01 gold. And to withdraw to your gold and silver account, you need to get one silver and one gold. And and um yeah, it's pretty exciting, the fact that you can actually earn some money. And I believe at some point you'll be able to cash out your funds when you see how much you've earned. So I'll keep making more videos. If you're interested, sign up. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Um, so that you can get your own account and start seeing how the platform works. It's just about 2 months old, and some people have actually cashed out. And as soon as I'm able to make some money, I would cash out as well. Okay. See you in the next one.